Hi friend, this is Krishna here. In this video we'll discuss about extend the surface and trim surface. So let me choose the plane. I'll select the top plane. So draw one polygon. Okay, select OK. Go to surface. Go to extrude surface and extrude up to 20. Okay. Now I want to extend this surface upside or downside, all the edges, all the face, all the edge of face. So just to go to extend surface, and select this face, and if whatever you want distance, you can select like this, and select this face. So whatever you want a distance, you can select the edge. Okay, see, so this is called extend surface. So now we'll go to the trim surface. So in trim surface, just delete this, open new part, select the top plane, the sketch, draw one center rectangle, select OK, go to surface, select the planar surface, select OK. Now I want to draw one sketch of in this plane. Select a sketch, draw one polygon like this, select OK. Now go to surface. Now extrude the surface of this polygon like this. Now I want to trim. Now I want to trim this outside all the faces. So just to go to trim, select the trim of this outside. So select this pieces of removal, which side you want to remove. If you want to remove outside, select the outside, select OK. Now see, so again, if you want to remove inside, so select this face, all the face, and select the pieces of removal, which side you want to remove, select inside. OK, so now see, the inside part is removed. So this is called trim surface. Okay, thank you.